in the mentor program last year, and I highly encourage other ladies that are thinking about either role, mentor or mentee, to please sign up. I love the venue. The speakers have been great. It's just an awesome experience.
Is Abby Herring.
And I'm Hannah Bandura.
We're with Tech Systems. We are a gold sponsor of ROCKIT IT this year, and we are having a blast today at the conference. One of my favorite conversations that we've had so far has been just about mentorship and sponsorship and what it means as someone early in my career, what to do to
100%.
grow.
This has been an awesome event, listening to such powerful, wonderful women, hearing their stories and hearing some of their advice and some of their career opportunities.
I'm really enjoying seeing women connect with each other, share their stories. I think it's so cool to hear different perspectives and identify your own perspective in somebody else and understand how they got on the other side of something they were struggling with. So I'm loving the event today and having so much fun. Thanks.
I am feeling really empowered and really excited to hear more of these women talk about empowering others around them and how we can get more women breaking these barriers into leadership and into IT, and we're just so excited to be here. Thank you.
Looking at the guest speaker list, there's a lot of women that I follow on LinkedIn, and I was really interested to hear what they had to say. I really enjoyed the fireside chat this time around. I think it really resonated with a lot of parts of myself, and I'm really looking forward to the breakout sessions.